Hello everyone, you are welcome on Years Overflow. Today we will see how to export table to PDF in Angular. So for that we are using two libraries, that is JSPDF and JSPDF Auto Table. So here we are running the application on localhost 4200, and this is the table data, name and email, and we will click on export to PDF and our data will be exported. So this is how we are exporting our data from table to PDF in Angular, and this is the code. So talking about two libraries, we have two libraries are JSPDF and JSPDF Autotable. To install JSPDF, we have to use this npm i JSPDF, copy this and just paste it into your PowerShell and install that VS Code, and also install the JSPDF auto table. After that, we are using TypeScript file and importing our JSPDF and auto table from JSPDF and JSPDF auto table. And also we are using ng4 to use table data, render the table data. So also we need to import that one here in the components. After that, we have the data, users, and the function export PDF. Inside export PDF, we are creating one document of type of using JSPDF, and then using auto table doc, and this is HTML, and this is tag my table. Now we'll look into HTML, and here you will see this ID is my table, your table data, and this is head and body, table head and table body. So this is our name and email, and this is rendering each data from users, its name and email. And this is here a button, when we'll click it will invoke export PDF function, and also after that it will go here in export PDF function, and once it will be invoked, it will start from line number 20, and uh, it will work from line number 20 inside this function, and this will be uh, working, and here and line number 22 it will save the data that is in PDF format. So here table.pdf. So here we can use dynamically name if we want, or static as we wish. So if we want to use something like table name different, so we can use that here. Just we can use, instead of table.pdf, we can use that name. So thanks for watching. Stay connected with Errors Overflow. I will provide the library URLs in the description, and you will be able to get from that. Also, I will upload the code on GitHub and paste it into the description, the URL for GitHub. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with Errors Overflow.